From the moment the sun crested the eastern hills, a gentle light began to fill the home. On the western shore of Lake Waconia, a large family of 8 was stirring, their daily rhythm perfectly synchronized with the natural world around them. This unique family compound, created in collaboration with the visionary minds at ALTUS Architecture Design, was more than just a house, it was a living extension of the landscape. The goal had been to forge a unified feeling for the house and its grounds, a place where modern living would not just coexist with nature but celebrate it through natural materials and a dramatic sense of transparency. The home itself was a bold, sculptural response to its magnificent setting. Situated near a venerable stand of heirloom oaks that had watched over the shoreline for generations, the house and its surrounding patios were deliberately laid out to honor these silent sentinels. A modern industrial style was the chosen language, but it spoke in organic tones, with steel and glass working in harmony with wood and stone. This wasn't a house that imposed itself on the land. It was one that rose from it, designed to support the family's active lifestyle and their deep connection to the outdoors. At the heart of the structure was the living wing, a breathtaking 2-story atrium. Its defining feature was the pair of glass walls that ran along the north and south sides, serving as colossal light catchers. From dawn until dusk, daylight streamed through, illuminating the open spaces and creating an ever-shifting play of light and shadow. But the true magic lay in the captivating, uninterrupted views they offered. One could see clear through the home, past the comfortable interiors, to the majestic heirloom oaks and the shimmering expanse of Lake Waconia beyond. This deep integration of indoor and outdoor space was designed to encourage constant activity and connection. A family activity space featured an indoor-outdoor pool, its waters a beckoning blue that offered direct access to the property's lakefront. A series of terraces and elevated courtyard areas flowed seamlessly from the house, providing easy transitions from the warmth of the living room to the broader, sprawling landscape. Here, the kids could race across the lawn, the parents could enjoy a quiet moment with a book, and the whole family could gather for a summer meal, all within view of the lake. The property had an almost mythical backstory. It had initially been considered unbuildable due to the challenging terrain. But the design solution was a testament to creative engineering. By elevating the property, the architects were able to create a spacious front yard and a street-side play area, all while meticulously preserving the existing oak tree hills along the lakeshore. A new children's play area was cleverly built into the lakefront landscape, its fun and games hidden from the home's primary view by the very oak trees the design sought to protect. As evening approached, the family often gravitated to the lakeside fireplace. The crackling fire was a beacon, a warm welcome to those returning from a day on the water and a final, quiet gathering place before the night settled in. The subtle gurgle of the natural drainage ditches, part of a thoughtfully developed stormwater management solution, provided a calming soundtrack, allowing for on-site infiltration and a gentle, ongoing conversation with the land. The home was a true retreat, a place where a large family could find both quiet sanctuary and endless adventure, forever bound to the trees and the lake.